Should I close my $200,000 short position, bratans? This is what we will speak about. Here you see my $200,000 short position, which is right now $466 in a loss, 11%. This is what we'll speak right now about, and I have a big news for you. If you appreciate, subscribe to this channel, or you get a hit. No, I'm joking. Let's go, bratans. Haha, very funny. So we see right now, it's very interesting because Bitcoin low volume sparks, BTC price warning as metric hits value zone. I explain in a second everything. Stay here with me. Data from on-chain analytics firm Glassnode confirms that on December 21, Bitcoin's network value to transaction, NVT called, signal reached levels not seen since April. And what is this NVT, bratans? Bitcoin's NVT is calculated by dividing the network value, market capitalization, by the USD volume transmitted through the blockchain daily. So again, for everyone who is disabled, bratans, I explain you. You have a market capitalization of Bitcoin, which was around 1 trillion when we hit the all-time high, right? And this divided by the transaction which are daily going through this blockchain. This is what means NVT. So for example, when we had, and I show you, let me go through that article. Here you see this is a you see market cap, and you see here right now the market capitalization is at the moment where we have market cap is right now at 324 billion, so approximately my net worth, but it was here around, wait a minute, here it was around, here you see, at 1.2 trillion at all-time high when we reached $70,000, right? So let us quickly watch NVT. You know what NVT right now is? On December 21, the NVT signal hit 18.5, a level that last appeared as Bitcoin declined in the final days of April. At the time, BTC USD traded at just over 40,000. Now, bratan, stay here with me. Here, and try to understand what I here explain you, bratan. Very important. You see here, it's very important because you see here the NVT, BTC Blatt. Here you see the NVT, right? Wait a minute, how I can, okay, I zoom just in. I think it's better here to zoom in. And you see here in April approximately, we had 40,000, around 40,000. You see Bitcoin price. The white line is Bitcoin price, the yellow is the NVT. And the NVT was very high. What this means, the market capitalization was high compared to the transaction per day, which, so a lot of people traded. What the whales did when the transaction was very high, they dumped all their coins, they fucked all the people, right? Why they fucked all the people? Because they collected the money, they shorted Bitcoin, right? And sold their own and plus shorted, right? So you see, boom, the price declined with this NVT, or as soon as the NVT was very high, they dumped all their coins, right? So, and right now we see, even though the price is down, we see the NVT is rising. So it means it's the daily transaction are rising despite that the price is very low, right? And right now, yes, you are right, bratans, to the people who are really thinking with me here, because obviously you can say the bottom is in. Therefore, people are start trading, accumulating Bitcoin, and this is the reason what is very bullish. And you are right, because the NVT could be also very bullish if we see that the daily transaction compared to the market capitalization are in a good measure, right? But we have other also technical signals which are showing us that we will see a dump, and I show you in a second, so stay here with me because we are going also inside the charts. I explain you also in a second. And also here you see the article show us, together with other phenomena, this impacts on-chain transaction data to the extent that NVT may produce an overlay bearish picture of value to transactions. So that means that our price is very low, but our NVT, our daily transaction compared to our market capitalization and at this price is right now relatively high, which could be bullish and bearish, but together with other phenomena, this produce overlay bearish picture of value to transaction. And let us watch together here in the charts, bratans. Why? We're starting with the big picture. Right? Okay, you see me, you hear me. Okay, everything is fine. In the big picture, we are bullish. In the big picture, 100% we are bullish. We are watching on the weekly time frame. We see it's very bullish. We still have here our bullish divergence. You see here RSI is going up while the price is going down. So it's very bullish in the big weekly picture. But if we are starting zooming in, and now stay here with me, try really put your laptop or put your desktop in your head right now, bratans, because right now is getting very interesting. Like I told you, we saw a breakout, right? And this, you know, if you're watching my videos, you know it. We saw a breakout of this descending broadening wedge, right? Which is very bullish, but we never retested it, right? We never retested it. Okay, you can say maybe we will not retest, so I don't care, we will go right now straight up. But now stay here with me because it's getting very interesting. We're putting out our indicators, which showing us, wait a minute, black, this is not the right, wait a minute, which showing us very clear picture here. Wait a minute, I show you this one, yes, and this is indicator called, you know, it's smart money, dump money. We are watching right now on the daily, right? We're on the 1 hourly, we zoomed in right now, and you see here the red line, you see this is the dump money and it's above. If this dump money, this is smart money, the blue line, the red line is dump money. If the dump money is above, then it's very clear indicate that dump money is very bullish. And if dump money is very bullish, what we see, we see huge dump to the downside. So on the 1 hourly, dump money is very bullish, right? This is very clear. What we see here on the 15-minute, we see also dump money is heavily bullish, right? But it's very clear. We have a very clear indication that we will see a dump because the indicator showing us, right? We have first the indicator which is showing us, the smart money, dump money indicator, which is showing us that we will see dump. Second, we have also the NVT, which is clearly showing right in your face that the whales want to dump the price, to collect your money and then buying very cheap your bitcoins, right? So please watch out for this. Stay here with me, stay concentrated. But I know you want to go to jerk again, but stay here with me because look at this. What happened? It's very interesting what happened, because yesterday when I saw this, I was crazy when I saw this. We had here for few days, you see, for few days we had here a consolidation, right? We had a consolidation for how much? For 3, 4, 5 days, you see here. And we were in this channel, right? You see here, we were in this channel for 3-4 days, right? And we broke down significantly this channel, right? And for me, this is a clear indicator that we will see here a dump. We broke very clearly, even with the 4-hourly candle. This on the 1 hour you were watching, we broke this channel to the downside. And you could say it's a fake out, but all the indicators showing us, you see dump money is, yeah, we are going to the moon, And what happened? We will see, bam, a huge dump. So therefore, to be clear, I will not close my short position with $200,000, not at the moment. And stay here with me because it's possible, yes, it's possible that maybe if we are breaking above this yellow line, above 60,900, that I will close my short here, because then if we are breaking 60,900, then we could see here pump to 70,366 to this red line, or even here to this green line, right, which would be here around, what would be around 70,800 even, to liquidate all the shorts. Therefore, if we're breaking 60,900, I will close immediately my short, right? But this not mean that we will see, after we will see a pump here to red line, that we will see right after a dump, or even we could see here a pump to this green line and then see a dump. In my opinion, it's very clear. NVT showing us, we will see a dump. But our dump money, smart money indicator showing us we will dump. Also here very clear, we see the clear patterns which showing us that we will see a dump. Everything. Also, not only this, also we see right now it's very calm, right? It's getting very calm. And if it's in Bitcoin or in crypto, it's getting very calm. This, when you have to go in front of your laptop, desktop and watch, because if your grandma tells, you have to buy Bitcoin, you have to sell all your Bitcoin. Right now, nobody is speaking about Bitcoin. Everyone is bored. But if it's getting boring, this is the moment when you have to watch. And it's not logical that just think with a mind of a whale, it's not logical that they start right now pumping. How it usually looks like, they're dumping all their coins, right? Or they're selling, they're shorting, and right after we see this V-shaped recovery, this when we are starting go into a bull run, right? So that you even not manage to get the bottom. You understand? So we are waiting right now. It's getting very calm. And this is the moment. Stay here with me. We see very clear volume is declining. What it means, if volume is declining, we will see heavily volatility here. So please watch out. This is my what is very clear. I'm a technical trader. Technically, probability-wise, it's very likely that we will see a huge dump to 14K, right? To around 14K. And right after a huge pump, right? This is what whales usually do. There's no reason to see right now a huge pump when there are a lot of people which are right now very bullish, which we see on our price indicator on the 1 hourly. Smart money is very bullish here right now. The red indicator, you see smart money is highly bullish right now. It doesn't make sense. Also, the NVT is very high, like you see here, the orange line. It's so high, like we saw it in April and May after the whale dumped. So there's no reason why the whales should right now buying heavily in, because they want to dump you first, get your bitcoins very cheap, and then pump the price up. This is what usually happens. This is my prediction, and this prediction is not my stomach, which I feel. It's very clear, predicted on the technical analysis right now. Okay, you understand? Even though I didn't shit for 2 days. So, bratans, very clear. If you also want to trade here, like I'm trading, only for professional traders, then you can get on Bybit, you can make a registration and trade here. They have proof of funds, Huyans, everything. And after $500 initial deposit, you get free access to my Discord Telegram group, where you get free trade signals and up to $30 bonus. So you get here at signal groups. You see, I give you beforehand the information when I'm entering here the trades, because it's just faster. I'm entering trades. You get here the newest news, and you get also quick summarize of all my videos if you don't have time. So make sure you make a registration. Go right now. Link is down below. So in my opinion, it is very, very clear. And if Bitcoin dumping, what is dumping also, Ethereum will also dump. So in my opinion, very clear, Ethereum you can just short with Bitcoin. But watch out for the upper line. If we're breaking to this upper line, it's a small long opportunity. However, in the short term, we will see a dump. In my opinion, not a guarantee, just my opinion. Do your own research. I kiss you, and I see you later. Mwah.